Ever wondered why school buses are mostly colored or painted yellow? Well, if you ever noticed and wondered why, then here is an explanation for you. Colors do not only add to the aesthetic appeal of things, but they also make our lives much easier and fun. However, in some cases, in addition to adding convenience, colors make things safer for us too, and school buses are an example of this. School buses, as we all know, have a huge responsibility of carrying millions of school children to and from school on a daily basis. They transport future presidents, tech wizards, and many prominent people, like the owner of this channel. It has been observed that among the colors we usually come across in our daily lives, yellow is the most visible color to the human eye. Yes, yellow is the most visible color to the human eye, even in peripheral vision. Peripheral vision, or indirect vision, is vision as it occurs outside the point of fixation, that is away from the center of gaze or, when viewed at large angles, in the corner of one's eye. Scientists describe this as lateral peripheral vision. Detecting yellow color is 1.24 times greater than for red. Basically, the color yellow gets the attention of everyone around it, be it incoming vehicles or pedestrians, hence helps in the prevention of accidents, which might put the future generation at risk. Now you know the mystery behind yellow school buses. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't also forget to activate the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you.
Wubba lubba dub dub!